So you said one of the blades broke off in here?
I have no idea what happened, but like, there was like a bolt or something that came out. ¿Ma dónde está el qué? ¿Dónde está el
sheepy one? All right. I'm just gonna put a new one. I'm just gonna take this all out.
Oh, okay.
So here's the blade. Broke off. I think that's a Moen. It's a Moen. I don't know if we're gonna have enough room with this. I might have to be moved. We'll see. Got the ground. White won't focus. Black to black, white to white, and then the ground, just the green. No dishwasher. Let's hope this fits, man. I don't see any leakies. Alright, just installed that disposal. I don't want to hear from anybody. Oh, you're installing a Badger 1 so cheap. Oh. First of all, it's a rental. Second of all, that's what the owner wanted, the cheapest option possible. It's a Section 8 rental. They put in a cheap one and they want to keep it a cheap one. So I don't know what to tell you, all right? It is what it is. And that's all I keep on the truck anyway. Nobody, I don't know, people don't want, I know I could upsell more expensive Badgers, but I don't know. People don't seem to really care that much about disposals. At least out here. I feel like people are more concerned about the way things look to people coming over. And you're not going to see a friggin' garbage disposal. You feel me? So, alright, later.